everyone here, especially our distinguished guests from Stormont Vale and St. Francis Health Center, and also to all of our staff and patients that actually have come here to be with us today. My name is Marilyn Page. I'm the Executive Director of Marian Clinic. And for the past 21 years, Marian Clinic has been a dental and medical home to many thousands of patients at 2 separate locations. And we're able to operate because of the donations from the community and because of the volunteer effort of the physicians and other people who come to volunteer. As you probably know, our needs continue to grow, and there's 14,000 people in Shawnee County that are not insured. The Kansas Health Policy Authority today just said that they have 11,000 Medicaid applications pending right now, and that we also know that 1 in 3 Kansans will not have health insurance sometime during this year. So Marian Clinic is now a medium-sized organization. We've grown very much over the past several years, and at this site alone, at the medical site, we have had 189 new patients this past quarter compared to the same quarter of last year. The average number of patients is at least 3 visits a year, which is at a cost of about $550 to the clinic, which is considerably less than if a person would have to go to an emergency room. In general, it's less than what you would pay out in the emergency room. At our clinic here, too, we've dispensed about $500,000 in free pharmaceuticals for our patients. So that is one big service that we can do for our patients. This is about all I have to say. I wanted to introduce you to Dr. Richard Meininger, who's our board chair, and he will tell you more about this special campaign.
Well, welcome. The Marian Clinic is indeed a community asset. And over the 20 years that we've been in existence, founded by Sister Ann-Marita Lucen, who was at that time the CEO of St. Francis Hospital, with a vision that this would be a freestanding charity clinic, benevolent and supported by the community. We've kind of outgrown that. We depend very much on your donations and your help. Our campaign, the Friends Campaign for Marian Clinic, will kick off today. We're a little behind the schedule, but we've tried to combine our campaign into one unit this year with a hope of raising nearly $500,000. It's a big charge. Only 1/3 of our income comes from whatever the patients can give us. The rest of our income to support this benevolent and charity clinic for the uninsured and underinsured, as Marilyn just pointed out, depends on you. And it gives me a great deal of pleasure at this time to introduce probably the 2 most important individuals in healthcare in this city and county. We have Maynard Oliverius, who is the CEO of Stormont Vale, CEO and President, I'm sorry, and Mike Schrader, who is also CEO and President of St. Francis Hospital, who have agreed to act as our honorary co-chairman for this important drive this year. So without further ado, I would like to present to you Maynard Oliverius. I think he has some words to say.
Thank you, Dr. Meininger. Appreciate all of your support and years of service to the community and chairing the board of this organization. And Marilyn, congratulations to you and all of the staff of the clinic for the wonderful service that you've provided over the last 20 to 21 years. As healthcare organizations, we all recognize the importance of clinic services and those organizations who meet the needs of those that are uninsured in the community and have many times the greatest needs of anyone. At a time when This country is facing some pretty significant economic crisis. It's appropriate for the clinic to be reaching out to the community and asking for support, because the numbers of uninsured and those in need will probably grow, at least for the near term. I welcome the opportunity to join Michael in helping to raise some money for the clinic, and hope that we can be successful and improve the health of the community. So again, thank you for the great job you do in this clinic, and we're honored to be part of it.
Mike Schrader, your turn.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here, and the honor is off behind the cameras and sitting in this room. The work that you do every single day makes a difference in the lives of